This is the same boat, Hatteras 53-footer, 1980s vintage, twin V8 71, properly called an 8V71. And I will start this engine cold, just like the port engine, and then I will turn it off either by hand or by the electrical solenoid, which is this mechanism right here. Stand by again while I run upstairs to start the engine. So again, if that solenoid, if the wire breaks, the button upstairs doesn't work, or if the solenoid itself goes bad, all you need to do is grab this wire, pardon me, it's a piece of metal tubing, or this lever, and push that lever by hand to turn off the engine. If you want to learn more about engines on your boat, trawlers, speedboats, Sea Rays, Nordhavens, ask Captain Chris.